Hey, good morning, everybody. It's Bill with Spring Pressure Washing. Back with another video here this morning. We have two jobs on the agenda. We have a two-story house, which we're at right now. House driveway clean up, and then we have a house wash for prep for paint. Anyway, I'll take you for a walk around this one and show you what we got. We got driveway here. You can see all the green. Two-story home. We got sidewalk going up to the front door. You can see all that green and just dirt and buildup on here. Around this side. Yeah, it's pretty bad. It's been a while since this one's been washed, I'm sure. Back actually isn't quite as bad. Get down along this side. We got a couple of bees nests up there. We'll watch for that. Okay, so that's our project for here this morning. Let's get moving. Okay, so we're all done here. Let me walk you around and show you how it turned out. There's the driveway, sidewalks, street gutters, the actual house itself, walkway going up to the front. Still see a little bit there, but that's actually the paint that's gone off the house. The house needs to be repainted, but at least there's no more dirt or algae on the house. It's the same way with these weeps down here in this section. There's not a whole lot we could do about that. Like I said, it just needs to be painted. And then back along the side, all up through here. Yep, all the dirt's gone, the algae's gone. Like I said, we just have these marks, and they're just There's just stains in the concrete in areas where the paint is completely eaten away. Okay, so that's a wrap on this one. We'll see you at the next job. Okay, so here we are at the second job. It's a house cleaning, getting ready to prep it for painting. So let me walk around, I'll show you what we got going on. We got a little yellow house here, missing some soffit up top. Not a real big house. Yeah, missing more soffit there too. Back along this side. We'll probably clean up this little section here for him as well. Have to be careful. That's it's not sealed up too well. Go around the back. Got this little shed back here too, so we'll get that taken care of. And then down along this side, this is the shady north side, so that's why it's got all that green growth on it down along the side there. Anyway, that's our project for right now, so let's get moving on it. Okay, so we're all wrapped up here. I'll walk around and show you how it turned out. Already looks better. Just got everything cleaned off the walls and it's now ready for painting. We did this little shed back here. Yep. So yeah, it looks good. I mean, not a whole lot to show here, but anyway, it's all ready for paint now. Okay, so that's a wrap on this one. That's our job for today. So we will see you at the next job. Hey, if you're enjoying the content that we're putting out, please hit the like and subscribe button, and give us a little comment down below. Let us know, number one, how we're doing, and number two, if there's any particular videos or training that you would like us to put on our site. But at any rate, it's greatly appreciated. Thank you.